How to redeem Wendy's gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can actually redeem Wendy's gift card. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to redeem a Wendy's gift card, first of all, just go to the Wendy's website, order something off the menu. And then once you've done that, because you can see I've already added products to my bag, it is on the checkout page where you have to simply enter your card details. So just enter your card details as you would normally do like a debit card. So if you had a debit card or credit card, what would you do? You would just add the payment method and check it out, right? And that is what you need to do for your Wendy's gift card as well. You can see payment method. All you need to do is just make sure to enter the correct card number, the correct name, the expiration date, the CVV, the zip code, and then just select place order. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it's going to be successfully used to purchase these foods right over here. Now, if you want to find out how much balance that you have left on your Wendy's gift card, in that case, what you can do is you can just go to this website, of which I'll make sure to drop a link, and then here you can see gift cards, and then here you'll see check balance. So basically, it says enter the information from the back of a Wendy's gift card, search off for to reveal PIN number. Just make sure to enter the card number, enter the PIN number, verify the captcha. Once you've done that, click on check balance. Then what this does is that it is actually going to show you how much balance you have left on your card. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.